Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is a new month with the first Tuesday, which means it's another shelf-stable recipe with the shelf-stable recipe collection, Build Your Own Cookbook. If you haven't already done so and you haven't been following us, you guys are missing out. I have the links below to print out your cover to make your own binder and the spine. And we have a whole playlist of all the channels that are included that have been doing these shelf-stable pantry recipes here all summer, building your cookbook. The channels include, of course, me, Alderman Farms, Crazy Daisies, Diane the Canning Nana, Fermented Homestead, In the Kitchen with Karen, Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen, Linda's Pantry, Mennonite Farmhouse, Sutton's Days, Tully the Crates, and Prepper Potpourri is the organizer of this great idea of building your own shelf-stable recipe book. So, I gotta be honest, what I've been really doing for these recipes that I've been bringing to you is going down to my own pantry, looking at what's on the shelf, and it's sort of like playing on the cooking show Chopped. I have ingredients to pick from, I gotta make something, and I figure something out. And it doesn't get more real than that, I think, in everybody's pantry. So today I'm basically going to do the same thing, and I'm going to basically do a clam kind of Alfredo sauce with pasta. Now normally you would use linguine. I've got spaghetti on hand. I'm using spaghetti. But it comes together pretty quick, and I'm going to use evaporated milk instead of regular cream or milk because, once again, shelf stable. The two things that I allow for my shelf-stable recipes are eggs and butter because I don't refrigerate either one. So, let's get to it. The ingredients are pretty easy for this. A little bit of butter, clams, flour, evaporated milk, dry wine, salt, pepper, garlic, minced onion, Italian seasoning or oregano, and parsley. Oh, and the pasta. I'm going to throw my butter in. Okay, I've got my butter in there. I'm going to throw my dried onion in. Get this sauteed up a little bit. I'm going to add my garlic. Minced garlic works fine too. Only going to cook this about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to throw in my flour, salt, and pepper. And I'm making a nice little roux. That's my roux. I'm going to throw in my other seasonings. And I'm going to whisk in my milk mixture, and what I did is I took the can of evaporated milk and poured it in a 2-cup measure and made up the rest of the 2 cups with the clam juice. So we're going to whisk this up so it starts to thicken. And as you can see, this is starting to thicken up. So then I'm going to add in my dry wine. Mix that in well. And throw in my clams. Oh man, this smells good. For not having fresh ingredients, this comes out pretty darn nice, especially with the evaporated milk, I think. It makes a really nice cream sauce. Finish cooking out the alcohol. If you don't give enough time for the alcohol to cook out, it gives kind of a bitey flavor to it, so you always, when you're using alcohol in recipes, you always want to make sure that you heat it enough to get that acidic alcohol raw taste out of it. You just want the essence to give the sauce. ready. You know what comes next. We're going to pour this over our pasta and see how we did. So here's how it came out. The clams and the white sauce. Let's give it a shot. That's yummy. That evaporated milk works so nice as a substitute for the cream. It really tastes rich. You'd never believe it was all just stuff out of the pantry. So here's another recipe for you for the Shelf Stable Pantry series. And if you have canned clams, a good use for them, and if you didn't, maybe you want to try. Once again, this was another in a series of the Shelf Stable Pantry recipe collection. I will have the links to download the cover and the spine down below, along with the links for the other channels participating, along with the recipe, which I always include in all the descriptions below my videos. So this was a white clam sauce with pasta. Give it a shot. It's simple, easy, and it tastes a lot richer than what it really is. So give it a shot. Check out the other channels. See you first Tuesday of next month.